The ultimate Bree app reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for a smart way to manage your daily finances, most people get this wrong by juggling multiple apps or accounts without clarity. The surprising truth about the Bree app is that it offers an intuitive platform for tracking expenses, setting budgets, and monitoring financial goals all in one place. First, explore the features. You won't believe how easy it is to link accounts, categorize spending, and view trends over time. The app also provides alerts for upcoming bills and spending limits to help you stay on track. Next, read user reviews. Most people get this wrong by skipping this step, but feedback often highlights reliability, ease of use, and helpful insights. Positive reviews indicate Bree app delivers real value for both beginners and experienced users. Check security measures. The surprising truth is that Bree uses bank-level encryption to protect data. Understanding privacy policies ensures your information remains safe while using the app. Finally, set goals and monitor progress. You won't believe how much more effective budgeting becomes when you regularly review spending patterns, adjust limits, and celebrate milestones. This turns financial management from a chore into an empowering habit. In conclusion, the Bree app can take you from zero to pro in personal finance management. By exploring features, reading reviews, confirming security, and tracking your goals consistently, you can take control of your finances safely, efficiently, and confidently.